Hello and welcome. For King Canada Tools, I'm Gord Graff. The Excelsior lineup of router table kits and accessories can unleash and expand your router's versatility and accuracy. All the Excelsior's feature-packed router table kits include the XL-080 heavy-duty extruded aluminum fence, 36 inches by 2 3/4 by 1 inch thick, that is accurate and easy to adjust, has 10.5 inches of travel and features a 2.5 inch dust port. Includes onboard 2-position offset bars used for edge joining and other operations. These bars can offset the outfeed fence by either 0.7 or 1.5 millimeters. Install both bars into the T-slots of the outfeed fence and tighten into position. The split fence easily accommodates large bits with its 4-inch wide opening and can close down to reduce the gap between the router bit and fence. The fence can even be cut to match the profile of any router bit. The XL-085 router table floor stand with built-in mobile base, adjustable leveling feet, 120 volt 15 amp on-off safety switch with a removable safety key and rear receptacle. The Excelsior XL-200C Deluxe Router Table Kit is Excelsior's top-of-the-line router table kit featuring the XL-075 heavy-duty precision ground 32 by 24 by 1.5 inch cast iron table with an 11 3/4 inch by 9 1/4 inch table opening. The XL-075 comes with 10 leveling screws enabling the router lift to sit perfectly level in the tabletop. It also features a 3/8 by 3/4 inch T-slot. The heavy-duty XL-125 router lift has an 11 3/4 by 9 1/4 inch aluminum top plate with carriage brake and features a 4-screw post and chain drive lifting system that adjusts all 4 corners simultaneously. Raise and lower the router lift by inserting the crank handle into the router lift and rotate clockwise or counterclockwise. To engage the carriage brake, which locks the router lift's height in position, insert the crank handle into the carriage brake opening. Turn the crank handle clockwise to lock the carriage and then counterclockwise to unlock the carriage. The XL-125 router lift features above-the-table router bit changes. Simply raise the router high enough to expose the collet nut and change the bit. No offset wrenches required. This router lift accommodates the optional XL-314 and the XL-312 router reducing collars for 3 1/4 and 3.5 inch router motor diameters. Choose the appropriate reducing collar for the router motor, install the motor into the collar, and then into the router lift. An optional 4-piece zero clearance insert and 4-piece insert set are available. An all-steel under-table universal dust collection kit model XL-130 with front access door, air vent, power cord clamp system, 4-inch dust chute with 2.5 inch side mount inlet, and a 27 inch by 2.5 inch dust hose. Comes equipped with crank handle, table insert wrench, starter pin, fixing screws, and hex keys. The XL-200MEP router table kit features the XL-049 32 inch by 24 inch by 1.5 inch thick MDF table that features an 11 3/4 inch by 9 1/4 inch opening to facilitate the included phenolic router insert plate model number XL-114, suitable for use with a plunge router and comes with a 3/8 by 3/4 inch T-slot. Comes equipped with table insert wrench, starter pin, fixing screws, and hex keys. All of these Excelsior router table components are available separately to either customize a table for you or to allow you to enhance a router table you may already be using. To find out more about these and other King Canada products, visit a King Canada dealer today or the King Canada website at kingcanada.com.